Welcome, creative minds! Today we're diving into the exciting world of art as we explore the process of drawing the upgraded Titan Speaker Man. Get ready to bring this powerful character to life on your canvas. Hey, it's me here! And if you're a fan of unique and futuristic characters, you're in for a treat. Before we jump into the drawing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our artistic adventures. Now, let's talk about our muse for today, the upgraded Titan Speaker Man. Imagine a fusion of cutting-edge technology and artistic expression. This character embodies the synergy between audio and visual aesthetics. It's time to unleash your creativity. Sketching process. Grab your sketch pad and let's begin with a rough outline of the Titan Speaker Man. Focus on the distinctive features like the speaker elements integrated into its design. Feel free to add your personal touch and make it uniquely yours. Next up, let's talk color. Choose a vibrant palette that complements the futuristic vibe. Incorporate metallic shades and bold contrasts to make your Titan Speaker Man stand out. Remember, this is your chance to experiment and let your imagination run wild. Now, the magic happens in the details. Enhance the speaker components, add intricate patterns, and don't forget about the dynamic pose. This is where your creativity truly shines, so take your time to refine each element. Before we conclude, if you're enjoying this artistic journey, give that like button a gentle tap. Also, share your progress in the comments below. I'd love to see your unique interpretations of the upgraded Titan Speaker Man. As we put the finishing touches on our masterpiece, remember that art is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, Learn from each stroke, and most importantly, have fun expressing yourself through your creation. That wraps up our guide on drawing the upgraded Titan Speaker Man. If you found this video inspiring, share it with your fellow artists, and of course, subscribe for more exciting tutorials and art adventures. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.